Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. So the topic says describe a book that you have read more than once. You should say what kind of book it is, what the book is about, and explain why you like to read it again. Alright, so the cue card requirement is that we need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes and we need to make sure that we answer all these questions before making any kind of irrelevant elaboration. So we need to make sure that we do answer all these three questions in our cue card within that time limit of 1 to 2 minutes. So we cannot speak under 1 minute, which is 59 seconds, otherwise our bands get deducted for task achievement. And we also need to ensure that we do not speak over 2 minutes, because again, whatever answer comes after the 2-minute mark, we will not be given any score on that part. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer. So instead of starting with the first question right away, we will be introducing the topic by giving an introductory sentence. So here it is. I am a book lover person and have always remained passionate about reading different kinds of books on a wide variety of topics. But today, I would like to speak about a book that holds a special meaning for me. So this gives the examiner a clear view what we will be speaking about today. So let's continue. I vividly remember when I scored the highest marks in my 10th standard, my father gifted me a book named Alien Mysteries, which I have read multiple times. The book is about unidentified flying objects and extraterrestrial living beings. So this answers the question, which is what the book is about. We will elaborate on it a little bit more. Additionally, the book mentions facts about encounters with aliens in different parts around the world. Moreover, it depicts the time, date, as well as location of such visits that people have had with creatures of other planets and how they felt and dealt with the situation at that time. So instead of using the same word extraterrestrial beings or aliens, we are rephrasing it and using a synonym by saying creatures of other planets. So that will again increase our band for lexical resources, which simply means our vocabulary. Also, in order to increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part, we are also making sure that we are using connectors like additionally, furthermore. Alright, so let's continue. The book is quite intriguing as it provides details about the spacecraft in which these aliens traveled from other planets, how they looked like, and how much time they spent on Earth before returning to outer space. So, we have answered both the questions, which is what kind of book it is and what the book is about. The last one still remains, why do you like to read it again and again? So, let's come to it. Finally, I enjoy reading this book over and over again because I have a keen interest in astronomy and the book features a lot of small story incidents. So every time I read it, it appears very fascinating as I am obtaining new and non repetitive information. So as we can see, all the three questions have been answered quite clearly. We made sure that we are laying stress on our lexical resources, on our coherence cohesion part, and also on our pronunciation, which has to be quite clear. Also, I just want you people to make a note that you are not marked negatively on your accent. So if you are from a different country other than where the examiner is from, say for example, if the examiner is from UK, he has a British accent, whereas you are from US English is quite different from UK English. Or if you are from Australia or from Spain or from India, you people will have a definite accent, but you are not marked negatively on your accent. You need to ensure that your pronunciation is crystal clear so that you can increase your bands on your IELTS exam. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another cue card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.